Hi friends, today I'm showing you these garden or landscape fabric nails and stopper. So they are used to hold those landscape fabric in place while you are putting, to stop the weeds and everything. So this is really clear, and you can see the quality of these nails are really good. It's heavy. I checked some others, the nails and the stopper, they are not of that thick quality, and each have the blunt, that sharpie end, so that it can go easily into the soil or your yard, and then can hold the landscape fabric well. You can see so they are like made of high quality metal, and on the top it have this holder so that it can hold it well. I will show you like holding the landscape fabric a bit later on, but right now I'm just showing the quality and the manufacturing of these nails so that you know how this looks. So here I'm showing you on my yard that this is like the landscape fabric that I have, and this is going above the yard. So I am just making this strongly inside this, holding it and pushing it all inside it, and you can see now the fabric is not going anywhere. So I can put another one like in the sequence, and this will hold. You can see that even the nail is not moving with anything, and then the fabric is not moving because of that, so it holds really well and works really well.